Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create voting poll on Snapchat on iPhone or Android. First, you'll need to go into your browser, whether you're using Safari or Google Chrome. For this example, I'll be using Safari since I'm on an iPhone. And you need to go on Polls Go. And once you have searched for that, you will tap on pollsgo.com. And from here, you'll simply enter the poll name. Then you'll tap on Get Started. And from here, you can add questions, add personal question or group questions. I'll simply tap on Add Your Own Question right here. And from here, I'll simply type in, what's my name, as an example. And here you can add a few options. Then when you're finished adding your questions, you'll tap on Done Adding Questions. Then you're going to tap on Copy Link. And after you have copied the link, you're going to go into Snapchat. Once in the app, you're going to do a small recording. Then you're going to tap on the third option from the bottom. Right here that you see the paperclip icon right below music icon. And there you'll simply paste the link. And you can see it right here. You can see that it opens up. This is the link. And you can see right there, it's now attached. And you can either post this on your story by tapping on story right here, or you can tap on send to and send it to whoever you would like to send it to on Snapchat. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.